Hello kids, today we will learn farm animals. Let's start. Cow. This is cow. Pig. This is pig. Dog. This is dog. Cat. This is cat. Chicken. This is chicken. Sheep. This is sheep. Horse. This is horse. Goat. This is goat. Duck. This is duck. Rabbit. This is rabbit. Turkey. This is turkey. Donkey. This is donkey. Llama. This is llama. Guinea pig. This is guinea pig. Buffalo. This is buffalo. Emu. This is emu. Mule. This is mule. Quail. This is quail. Rooster. This is rooster. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.